Hello, my name is Steven, and I am your 3-minute tour guide for downtown St. Louis, Missouri. St. Louis is the largest metropolitan area in all of Missouri and is home to about 3 million people. Downtown St. Louis is the cultural and economic center of this city. It was initially settled in 1764 by French fur traders and named after King Louis IX. French fur traders. Say that 3 times fast. We've got a little spot for the local baseball team, not my team. We've got a pretty amazing convention center and a humongous football stadium. And no football team playing there. Too soon? City Garden is an urban park and sculpture garden right here in the heart of downtown. This 3-acre site was completed back in 2009. I love this spot. It's got a lot of great walking paths, cool water features, and some beautiful artwork. It's like a nature walk and an art museum all in a beautiful outdoor setting. And the best part is that it's all free. While you're downtown, we've got some great restaurants, a cool spot to catch a movie, and even the National Blues Museum. So yes, there's plenty to see and do in downtown St. Louis. But let's get to our star attraction. You are looking at more than 43,000 tons of concrete and steel forming an iconic and elegant arc towering 63 stories into the Midwest sky. Since its completion in 1965, finally something older than me, the monument has taken visitors up to the top for views to the east and west for up to 30 miles. I've lived here for 5 years and this is going to be my first trip up to the top, so come on. No, seriously, you're coming with me, come on. Arts, commerce, culture, history, good food, and good people. I hope that you add St. Louis to the list of places that you'd like to visit. Thanks for coming along.